Hi students, facing difficulty in Python, databases, or pandas? Problems with loops and data structures like lists, tuples, dictionaries, SAPI 258 trenches. Data visualization and series data frames giving you a hard time? Confused by validation, cross-validation, or the scikit-learn predict method? Struggling with MAP, MSE, or RMC in regression, or RMSE in regression? Connect to Apki Digital Pathshala by techiekrish, Google Champion, and Trainer.